Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you Saturn in the 4th house. What all results Saturn will be giving when it is placed in the 4th house. 4th house is the house of depth, it's a house of research. 4th house is the house of home. It's a house of luxuries, the comfort of home that you get. What happens when the planet of discipline, when the planet of struggles, when the planet of very blunt and hard nature comes in your 4th house? This all will be shared in this video, so kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so that you may get the notification of my other videos also. Well, I welcome you all. Well, what is Saturn? First of all, we need to understand Saturn is a planet of struggles. This is a planet which gives pain. This planet takes longer than other planets to perform the duties that it has come to perform in your Patri. So, Saturn is a planet which is very lazy. Saturn is a planet which likes to remain separate, or he loves separation. He loves to live in isolation. Okay, so when this planet of struggles, of discipline, or of depression comes in your 4th house. 4th house is the house of research or going into depth, shows 4th house. 4th house also shows the comfort of your home. The duties or the office task or the work that you are comfortable doing while sitting at home is shown by the 4th house. 4th house also shows luxuries, it shows vehicle. 4th house shows land and property. 4th house is the house of your mother. So when Saturn comes in your 4th house, this the combination makes a person going into depth. They always keep on finding something in their life. They are very workaholic people. You will see these people working very harder towards their task. They are able to perform, or they are able to work very efficiently when they are working from home, or when they are working in an office, but also in the office they will prefer to sit at a comfortable of home. Like, they will choose a place, a cozy place, a corner where they can separately sit and perform their duties, because Saturn is a planet of aloofness, of living or working in isolation is shown by Saturn. So 4th house is a house of comfort. You will always see these people running, get comfortable life. Or Saturn in the 4th house also helps a person to get property related matters in their favor, because Saturn is the planet and Mars is the planet which is the natural significator for buying a property. But for buying a property, the combination of the houses 4th house, 11th house and 12th house should also be there. Once these combinations are there and the Saturn is coming in the Dasha or Bhukti, then it's sure shot that the person is going to purchase a property in his life. In the same manner, when Saturn is there in the 4th house also shows vehicle purchase. So with the same combination of 4th house, 11th house and 12th house, but Venus should be there in the DBA, and along with the planet, or your 4th house should remain active. How your 4th house will remain active? Whenever the Saturn Dasha or Bhukti will be running, or the DBA planets should be having should be giving the results of 4th house, 11th house and 12th house. But for vehicle purchase, you need to look for Venus in your Dasha Bhukti Antar. That's how you will be able to get property and vehicle in your life when your 4th house is active. So Saturn in the 4th house creates problem in relations with your mother, or the person will always remain concerned about the health of their mother, because 4th house is the house of your mother. So Saturn here creates problem in their health, or mother face health issues very often when Saturn is placed here. If Saturn is placed in a nakshatra of Rahu and Ketu, then it gives negative result more often. So we need to check how good the Saturn is. If Saturn is not giving the result of 6th house, 8th house or 12th house, then it's very much possible that Saturn will be able to help a person to rise and progress in life. Well, Saturn, if plays in the fourth house, it also deviates a person from his education. The person will not be able to pursue or complete his education. He will face many hurdles in his education when Saturn is here. Their early education suffers, and might possible that these people fail. They have to repeat their exams also. So this was my observation on Saturn in the fourth house. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell notification. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Namaskar.